Hi guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do two of my favorite decade inspired hairstyles, the luminous 90s supermodel inspired blowout, and I'm also going to recreate a 70s feathered out bouncy hairstyle. Blowouts work best on freshly washed hair. I'm going to be using the Drybar All-Inclusive Multi-Styler for both of these looks. It's such a versatile hair tool. I will never use any heat on my hair without a heat protectant, so I'm prepping my hair with this Blowout Defense Spray before doing a rough blow dry of my roots with the blow dryer attachment. My hair's about 80% dry, and now I'm ready to use the round brush on the highest air and heat setting. If you've ever wondered why your hair looks so good after you've been to the hair salon, it's because they blow dry it with a lot of tension and in sections. A round brush is probably my favorite hair tool because it just preps the hair for any style. You guys know I like to flip my head over for this too for more volume. Since we are going for that 90s look, I'm putting in Velcro rollers on the top of my head. The trick with these is to apply heat and then immediately roll the hair in sections. Wait at least 20 minutes before removing, but the longer the better. And then I'm just flipping the ends. See how it just gave my hair a little extra volume? And here is the final 90s look. It is the next day and here's what the hair looks like. But today we are doing a 70s inspired feathered blowout look, one of my favorite decade inspired hairstyles. Sectioning off my hair and applying a spray heat protectant. Again, I don't use any hot tools without it. I'm using the curling wand attachment on the highest heat and no airflow. On the bottom row, I'm curling all of my hair under, then pinning with a clip while the curl is still hot. For all of my front pieces, I'm curling away from the face. This is what is really going to give us that 70s look. For the rest of the hair, I'm curling under to match the bottom section. If you struggle with your curls staying, you have to try pin curls. My tip is to just work in sections so they're super easy to put in and take out. A little hairspray to set. Now wait as long as possible before removing the pin curls, but this is the best part. Now I know it looks a little crazy at first, but trust the process. I take a round brush and start to gently brush my hair, flipping my head over and trying to group the hair together. You really just have to play around with it till you get the exact shape you want, but it should look something like this. And here is the final 70s look. I am obsessed with this hair tool. It is so unique, can really just do any hairstyle with it, and I'm going to continue using it in a lot of my videos. It has been 4 days since I did the blowout and washed my hair, and here is what it looks like. I'm so impressed, and it's been so hot where I'm at. I've gone on walks, I've gone on Pilates. It's so good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other decades you guys want to see. Bye!